had given a paper book which was a bit jumbled up, and I had undertaken to fix that and resubmit it. I wasn't able to get books from the honorable judges, and so to save some trees, I've only taken just the relevant pages as opposed to the whole 200 pages.
We had given our books yesterday.
Sir, वो सिर्फ आपकी थी और I was told
तो कर दी ठीक नहीं.
My lord, आपकी मैंने अभी ये ज़्यादा अच्छी कर दी है, but only used some extra paper because I was also. जी, तो may I just take my lords through that? This will be in sequence, sir. जी जी बिल्कुल, आपको भी एक कॉपी दे देंगे. वही कागज है. मुझे मेरी
Now this is the final booklet.
जी, my lord, ये तो सिर्फ साहिबजादा साहब की है. In response to the direction yesterday, I had, my lord, asked the ECP to get the 81 nomination forms and record of, there are 81 independents who've joined SIC. My lord, that record was with at the district level with the returning officers. It was called for. I went through it for the first time also, my lord. I saw it yesterday. Those paper books are being bound, and in the midst of my arguments, hopefully they'll arrive. But I have a summary of all of them in a table form, which I'll take my lord through in any event, sir.
आप जरा माइक को जरा, क्योंकि आप माइक से हट जाते हैं.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Sir, may I just quickly go through this paper book now because this is.
आपसे PTI की प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट भी मांगी थी, वो नहीं आप लाए शायद.
जी सर, है ना PTI की फॉर्म 66 जो उनकी लिस्ट है, वो भी ले आए. सर मैं ले आऊँगा वो. I had requested, sir. I apologize. There was a lot of paper that was requested, but I had formally requested ECP, and I'll submit it, sir. So, my lord, in this case, the candidate's nomination form, which is at page 1 of this small paper book, it says, this is his nomination form with his name. Then, on page 2, he says, Mera Taluk Sunni Ittihad Council, Alliance PTI. ठीक है sir. Then his nomination papers are accepted, my lord, at 3. And then on the 13th, my lord, first of all, there is a party affiliation ticket submitted for Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
Where is that? Sorry?
That's, my lord, tab D. Then, my lord, on the same day at tab E, a statutory declaration is submitted, which is on oath. It refers to section 66, which requires the party affiliation certificate, my lord. And this says, I am at present affiliated with PTI N, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazriyati, which is a completely separate enlisted political party with its own chairman and constitution, etc. It's not the PTI. On the same day, my lord. Then, my lord, there was he submitted a written request to the RO in which he refers to the matter pending, and then he says, I may be allotted shuttlecock, which is one of the symbols for independent candidates. And then ultimately, my lord, on G, tab G, which is page 7, this is his form 33. The shuttlecock symbol was already taken, so he was allotted, my lord, the symbol of tower instead as an independent, and he contested as an independent based on his own application, and ultimately was returned as an independent, my lord, and the form 49 notifying it is on page 9. So this is one example, my lord. Then all 81, my lord, I went through yesterday for the first time, and if the papers are here, I think it'll be better if I go through it. They basically fall into 3-4 broad categories. One category follows this pattern where it says PTI, then the PTI-N ticket comes, then an application for withdrawal of that formally or orally comes.
Where is that, the withdrawal part?
My lord, ये इनका खत है जो उर्दू में खत है, उसमें वो कह रहे हैं कि मुझे अगर ये नहीं दे सकते तो फिर मुझे शटल कॉक दें. So he is saying, give me the
No, withdrawal of the declaration. मतलब
withdrawal of just the his earlier certificate. जी. वो उर्दू वाला खत जी. Because he says, my lord, he is withdrawing because he is saying, give now. Can you please issue me the symbol for independence?
Total 80 or 81?
Sorry, 81, my lord.
So now we are dealing with 80.
जी, ये एक हो गया सर. उनमें
को
से.
माइनस करें 80 हो गया.
जी, वो सारे आ जाएंगे आपके पास. वो जब सर आ जाएंगे तो I'll take my lord through. But basically a similar kind of pattern.
इस उर्दू वाले में ये तो नहीं लिखा कि मैं आजाद होना चाह रहा हूँ या मैं वो सर्टिफिकेट जो एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट है वो विड्रॉ करना चाहता हूँ.
जी, बिल्कुल सर. But वो कहता, I agree, sir. I agree. What he says instead is, issue me the symbol for shuttlecock.
ने पहले बैट का कहा.
पहले bat, if that's not available, then shuttlecock.
उसने कहा कि अगर बैट अदालत से ना मिले
बिल्कुल
तो शटलकॉक दे.
बिल्कुल. तो उसको
does it mean that he was independent?
My lord, he contested. देखें सर, इसके ऊपर मेरा सबमिशन ये है कि they are certainly independent, and with utmost respect to them, and it's for the appellant to clarify also, how can they not claim to be independent? Because only independents, this is undisputed hopefully, that only an independent can join within 3 days. And they have joined under Rule 62(9). So, sir.
ये देखे ना, इसकी आप जो तरतीब आपने बताई,
जी.
फर्स्ट नॉमिनेशन जिसमें कहा कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस, फिर पीटीआई टिकट,
That's right.
देन पीटीआईएन का भी टिकट आया.
PTIN का सर टिकट नहीं है, उसकी वो स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन है.
उसके बाद उस डिक्लेरेशन के बाद कहा कि सिंबल
मुझे दे दो. Then he asks for
उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक टिकट नहीं आया.
डिक्लेरेशन के साथ नजरियाती जो लिखा है उसका टिकट फाइल हुआ है.
नहीं, इस रिकॉर्ड इस वाले में नहीं है सर वो.
there's only one certificate.
So there is like one half of something. He needs to.
एक second जरा factually clear कर दें. We don't need to spend so much time on it, but the certificate that's on the record for Sahibzada is only of PTI.
Sir, the certificate.
The other is just a declaration, but does not have a certificate with it. That's his own self-styled document.
Let me put it this way.
The document of the party is only one.
Yes. So his party, my lord, may I clarify it a little bit though? His party affiliation ticket, his party affiliation certificate is of PTI, and his statutory declaration of person nominated affidavit is of PTI.
It is the certificate, you see. So certificate एक ही है ना?
Certificate एक
So
ही है.
he is there. He goes into the elections with a certificate of PTI.
Yeah, that's right.
And so, but you considered him as a independent because of whatever reasons that you might. ठीक हो.